Untuk kesekian kalinya, pelatih PSM Makassar, Bernardo Tavares, kecewa atas kepemimpinan wasit. Kali ini justru taktik asal Portugal itu menyampaikan kekecewaannya saat temui media usai pertandingan melawan Persija Jakarta. Tavares menilai banyak keputusan wasit yang kontroversi dan merugikan timnya.
I'm very scared because against Bali we won, and if you want to see video, you see many mistakes against us. Today, I repeat, today we not lose, we draw, but almost lose because the referee. Sorry to say this, I am frontal. See how many faults they make to him. See how many times Jakob win the ball, make 1-against-1, go to the box, and no yellow card. This is amazing, just in Indonesia, with this referee. You want to put down? You want to put PSM down? Come on! You are joking with the boys, man. We work hard on the week. We work hard on the week to win, to get 3 points, 3 points. And this guy came here, and he's not professional. Because, unfortunately, I believe that he's better than the mistakes that he do. So maybe these mistakes are not mistakes. Maybe something that he know better than me.
Di laga sebelumnya kalah melawan Bali United, pelatih PSM Bernardo Tavares juga kecewa dengan kinerja wasit. Pihaknya menilai wasit banyak melakukan kesalahan. Sudin Syamsuddin, Kompas TV, Parepare, Sulawesi Selatan.